Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. If I'm just now popping up on your feed, I'm Tijen and I break down this simulation, or as I like to call it, freaking LaLa Land. Today we're doing the full deep dive breakdown on food fasting. If you watched the short version, that was just a quick Cliff Notes version. Here on YouTube, we're going under the hood to look at the actual mechanics of what happens when you give your body time off from eating. Let's talk about fasting, because if you all know about fasting is skipping breakfast and calling it a day, well, then we need to upgrade you. At its core, food fasting is just giving your digestive system a break. You aren't starving yourself. You're letting your body shift gears from constantly digesting whatever you shoved in your mouth to actually doing the internal maintenance it's been begging to do. We live in a society where people are eating from the moment they wake up until the second they go to sleep, and your body never actually gets a chance to rest, repair, or clean house. Let's break down what is actually happening under the hood when you give your system some actual time off. Around 8 hours in, your body finally finishes digesting your last meal. It stops running on immediate food energy and gets its first real breather. For most people, this is just overnight while you're sleeping, but this is where the baseline reset begins. Hit 12 hours and your blood sugar stabilizes. Your insulin levels start to drop. Your body says, okay, we're done processing incoming fuel, and it transitions from a state of storage to a state of where can it actually start looking around for stored energy to use instead. Push it to 13 or 14 hours and things really start shifting on a metabolic level. Your insulin drops lower, which tells your body it's safe to start tapping into stored fat for fuel instead of constantly screaming for a quick fix snack or a sugar hit. This is where your metabolic flexibility starts waking up, meaning your body remembers how to burn its own fuel instead of relying on constant drip of outside food. And once you cross that 14 to 16 hour mark, that is the heavy hitter autophagy. That is your body's own built-in cleanup crew. When insulin is low and energy demands require efficiency, your cells start rounding up old damaged proteins, dysfunctional mitochondria, and cellular debris, breaking them down and recycling them into fresh new components. It is literally biological recycling. You are cleaning out the cellular junk that causes inflammation, brain fog, and sluggishness. Your body isn't sitting there doing nothing while you fast. It's switching from processing food to repairing itself. When you string these hours together consistently, you aren't dropping weight, you are reducing systematic inflammation, giving your gut lining time to repair itself and teaching your metabolism how to function the way it was actually designed to. If you've been relying on constant stream of food to get through your day, extending that fasting window isn't punishment. It's an upgrade. If this deep dive helped connect the dots for you, make sure to hit the subscribe button over here on YouTube. Drop a comment with your own fasting experience or questions. Let's keep this conversation going. See you in the next one.